Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a QR code for Crypto.com. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Accounts tab. From there, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to receive, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This action will lead you to its dedicated wallet page. It's a simple process designed for quick access to your digital assets. Getting your QR code is essential for smooth transactions. Once on your chosen cryptocurrency's wallet page, look for the transfer button and tap it. A menu will appear, and you'll need to select Deposit. This action prepares the app to show you the necessary details for receiving funds. Make sure to select the correct network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum, to avoid any issues. Your unique deposit address and its QR code will then be clearly visible on your screen. With your QR code displayed, you have a couple of options. You can tap to copy the alphanumeric deposit address, or you can directly share the QR code image with the sender. This makes receiving crypto incredibly convenient. Always, and I mean always, verify that the address matches before any transaction is finalized. This simple step protects your funds. Using the QR code is the most secure and efficient way to receive your digital assets. While QR codes are convenient, always exercise caution. Only share your deposit QR code with people you trust or for transactions you've initiated. Be vigilant against any suspicious requests for your address, as phishing scams are common. Your security is paramount in the crypto space. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Staying informed and secure helps protect your valuable digital assets from potential threats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.